Welcome back to the Hostek channel. My name is Deja, and in this tutorial, we'll be copying and moving files in WCP Control Panel with File Manager. But before we get started, if you like these tutorials and want more, make sure you like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And to learn more about Hostek, make sure you click the link in the description box below. Once you've logged into your Hostek control panel, go ahead and click on File Manager and log in. Now we're in File Manager. So we're going to go ahead and move and copy some files. So the first one we're going to do is copy this particular file. All we're going to do is right click, scroll down to copy. We want it placed in the directory called tutorial. And once you're done writing which directory you would like it to go, and click continue. Now we're going to go into the tutorial folder, and here you'll find the copy of that file. Now to move this, let's say we're going to go back one, and we're going to go ahead and move this robot. We're going to right click again, and we're going to click move. And now you insert the name of the directory you would like this file to move to. For this one, it's also going to be tutorial. As you can see, the file has disappeared. And when we go into this directory, and now the file has been moved to the directory of your choosing. And that's all it takes to copy and move a file in your file manager.